right, so first thing, this is the beginning of the movie where they're showing the asteroid that's going to hit the Yucatan Peninsula that makes the dinosaurs extinct. And this is the picture of the Earth. And I see the outline of South America. I see a little hurricane. I see North America, and the asteroid hits right here. This isn't quite right. This,
what do you mean?
65 million years ago, this is what the continents look like.
I see.
So,
that's right. So the beginning of the movie, they talk about this big asteroid that hit the Yucatan Peninsula, and then that's where we get like the mass extinction of the planet. You get like, I think it's called the KT boundary. It's the difference between two prehistoric times.
Yeah.
And you're saying that in the movie they show it as like they show the plates of the continents where they are today, not how they used to be back then.
Right. So actually, North America here is kind of unrecognizable because there's like this ocean through the middle. Like Central America doesn't exist. Africa and South America are really close together.
That's right.
So here's the impact in the movie, right? And here is the Yucatan. And here's clearly, I don't even think this is right. Somehow South America is way closer.
But I get it though, because if they were to have shown classic Earth, like prehistoric Earth, people are like, what is this, right? Like people now think about Yucatan Peninsula as being like Mexico or whatever, right?
Right. And it even looks like Yucatan is underwater at this point. So, yeah, interesting. So it makes it, this is a recognizable area of the Earth, and you can see that it's heading toward the Yucatan. But this is what it should look like.
Actually, I think it's even important, like geologically, that it's underwater. Because otherwise we'd have a big old land hole, like a hole in the ground, right? A big old crater. So I think the fact that it's underwater did several things. One is that you get this tsunami that's spread out, and if I remember, this is one of the scientific evidences for supporting a big old meteor impact for why the dinosaurs died, and it's something like a tsunami with all the meteorite bits and minerals. It would be carried out in a wave. So if somebody went out to like Texas or maybe Oklahoma area and they saw this line of like, I think it was iridium, something that should have decayed away in Earth's life. But if it came in later, then there could still be isotopes sitting around. And so then when you do that, there's like a ring that's in a circle around the Yucatan Peninsula. And it's right in if you dig deep, so you're digging in age in terms of geological stuff, you get it right at the correct time for when a bunch of things died. There was like a global winter, and you get these isotopes. Yeah, I think there's also sinkholes. Somehow that's important.
Yeah, I think there's the evidence how geologists like this is a crater. Like I have no idea because there's lots of different like rock signatures and apparently sinkholes, which I don't understand why there would be sinkholes.
It's like you can drop a little balloon and then it'll go down this water that goes to the ground and goes for like miles and like disappears into the ocean somewhere. Creepy stuff. Super freaky. Like, be careful.
So I think this is super nitpicky by us, but at the same time, this is something that I think would be interesting for kids to see,
True.
Yeah. Like what the heck was wrong with Earth?